everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. For those that do not know, I had VSG gastrectomy surgery 2.5 years ago, almost 3 years ago. On August 21st, 2017, I have lost 106 pounds and have been able to maintain that weight loss over the past couple of years. So, first off, let me say I am sorry for the glare on my glasses. My eyeballs apparently hate me and do not want to cooperate with my contacts, and the lighting just is horrible. Anyway, you get around having glasses on, we gotta glare. So I am sorry if that is distracting. I hope you stick around and check out the whole video. So today's video is going to be a VSG grocery haul. Most of these products can be picked up pretty much anywhere, any grocery store, Target. I, for one, got all of these at Walmart. So if you like those kinds of videos, then stick around and keep watching. So first item is these Mission Carb Balance flour tortillas. These tortillas are so good. They really taste just like regular flour tortillas. They are, let me see the facts on them. One tortilla is 70 calories, 3 grams of fat, and it says 19 grams of carbs with 14 grams of fiber. Now, my doctor lets us subtract our fiber from the carbs, and we only count net carbs in our carb intake for the day. So, in all actuality, you know, so it would be 4 net grams, how do you say that? 4 grams of net carbs in one tortilla. So that is pretty good. Like I said in a couple of my past videos, I like to stick kind of low carb, but I do still eat carbs, and whenever I do, this is what I am eating. I will make quesadillas with this. Like, I have quesadillas a lot, and these are the tortillas I use. If we have fajitas, this is it. Anything that requires a tortilla, these are my jam. The next item is the Premier Protein drinks. I'm sure if you are VSG, you have seen these. This one is the cafe latte flavor, and these are really good. But these are already pre-mixed. You can take them on the go with you. They are very, very good. So for one container, it is 160 calories, 3 grams of fat, 5 grams of carbs, but you subtract 2 grams of fiber. So you're left with 3 grams of carbs in this whole thing, and 30 grams of protein. If you're looking to get your protein in, this is the way to go. You drink a couple of these a day and you got your protein in. So they come in a lot of different flavors. Whenever I was pre-op and right after surgery, I drank the vanilla and the caramel the most. I don't think they even had this flavor out whenever I first had the surgery done. I wish they would have, because I actually mixed my vanilla and caramel with unsweetened coffee, so that way I can still have my coffee in the morning. So this is supposed to taste like coffee. They come in, well, I just broke the package, but they come in a 4-pack. At your local grocery store, they're gonna come in a 4-pack like this, and 2 just fell out. So, but anyways, this is the packaging. I think there's a cookies and cream flavor, vanilla, chocolate, caramel, cafe latte. I think there's like a banana flavor. They got a bunch of different flavors. Next, while we're on the drinks, I will grab this vitamin water. This is the zero sugar vitamin water strawberry lemonade flavor. I love strawberry lemonade. I'm gonna be honest, I have not tried this yet. Before surgery, I would drink the regular vitamin waters. Since surgery, I really just stick to plain water or Powerade. So I seen this in the store while I was grabbing groceries for the week and seen that it was the 0 sugar. Figured, why not give it a try? You know, drinking just plain water sometimes just gets old and you want a little flavor. But in this bottle, there's no calories and 5 carbs. There is no protein in it, but this would count towards water intake. So that was good, or that will be good. If you want protein out of it, find you some unflavored protein powder. Drop a scoop of unflavored protein powder in there, and then you instantly have a protein water. So I can let y'all know my thoughts on this. If anybody has tried these, let me know in the comments. Are they good? If I don't like it, I'm sure my daughters will drink it, so I'm not worried about it going to waste. So go check these out. Should be good. I'm saying they're good. I don't really know. I'm sure they are pretty good. Okay, and I got one more drink, and it is Powerade 0 Sugar Sports Drink in the fruit punch flavor. That is my favorite flavor in Powerade, is fruit punch. So this is 0 sugars, 0 fat, 0 calories, 0 protein. So it's doing you no favors as far as protein, but it will count towards your liquid intake if you do drink these. Okay, next up we will do like some bars, some snack bars, if you will. These are, and I already threw the box away because I like to organize them without the box, but these are the Kind mini bars. There we go. Look at there. The Kind mini bars. They come in full-size bars, but these are the minis. They're like literally smaller than my palm, than the palm of my hand. This is the peanut butter dark chocolate flavor, and the other one I have is just plain peanut butter flavor. That, like I said, they do come in the full-size bars. So these bars are 100 calories, 7 grams of fat, 8 grams of carbs, but there's 3 grams of fiber. So only really 5 grams of net carbs, and 3 grams of protein in this tiny little bar. So I mean, I feel like it's pretty good. I'm not sure if the dark chocolate peanut butter is the same stats. Well, yeah, I mean, it's the same amount of calories. It's got 8 grams of carbs and only 1 gram of fiber. So technically 7 grams of net carbs, and there's 4 grams of protein. So a little bit more protein and a little bit more carbs. And they do have these, I know, at Walmart and Target, and I'm pretty sure like other little normal grocery stores. Okay, and then the next bar I have is the Power Crunch Protein Energy Bar in the French Vanilla Cream flavor. Look at that. It's like a little wafer. You know, remember those little wafer cookies whenever we was kids? These are good. So, let's see. This bar is 220 calories, 13 grams of fat, 11 grams of carbs, and 14 grams of protein. So it is a little bit more on the carbs, but if you're not too worried about it, if you count more calories than you do carbs, this is still a great option. This is something I personally would not do every day, but like I said, if you're in a pinch, or if you just got a little bit of a hunger pain, I mean, and you can even like just eat half of it, you know, just to hold you over for a little snack or whatever. This is a good option. And I do know they do have a few other flavors of these. Not quite sure exactly which one. My store, whenever I picked it up, really I think only had just this flavor. Now there's some other little snack items, or you could do it, use it like breakfast items, I guess. Just depends on you. I'm not a big breakfast person. Usually coffee is my breakfast. Usually around 10 o'clock I'll be wanting something, and yogurt sometimes is what I would go for, gravitate to. So these are the Chobani Flip yogurts. This is the s'mores flavor. And then I have the coffee brownie bliss. Of course, if you know me, I love my coffee. So if it's coffee flavored, I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna try it, okay? And then this one is the peanut butter cup. And if you also know me, Reese's peanut butter cups are my favorite thing in the entire world, okay? Like, they are the best. So these are low-fat Greek yogurts, and then the little cup has the little pieces, the little candy pieces or whatever, and then you just flip the little thing into the big part, mix it around, and eat it. So these are a pretty good snack option, really, if you're just looking for a little snack. Honestly, I will be honest again, I have not tried these yet. So I seen these on another video and I figured I would pick them up, give them a try, and tell y'all about them so you can give it a try. I will try these out and let y'all know how they are, what I think of them. But let's see, let's look at the stats. The peanut butter cup seems to be the higher calorie, not by much, okay? The peanut butter cup is 200 calories, 25 grams of carbs. Like, I'm pretty sure that's my whole day's worth of carbs that I'm allowed. So this will definitely not be an all the time thing. It's just an every once in a while kind of thing whenever I want something sweet, but on the healthier side. But it does have 12 grams of protein in this. So, I mean, you know, it's not that bad, okay? So that's the peanut butter cup. The coffee brownie bliss and the s'mores both are 180 calories. They both, let's see, they're both around the same amount of carbs, 24 grams, 25 grams, and they have the same protein, 11 grams of protein. So, I mean, they're not too bad of an option. So, since we're kind of on the topic of breakfast, I will grab these. These are the Birch Benders Pancake a la Cup. This is the chocolate chip flavor. And then the other one I have is the classic maple flavor. So this like cooks in this little cup. It's just a little microwavable pancake. So these, since they are keto, it only has 5 grams of net carbs. So very low carb, 240 calories, 8 grams of protein in the chocolate chip one. And this one is 210 calories, 17 grams of fat, 5 grams of carbs, and 7 grams protein. So they're about the same, really. Here is, for me, a lunch option. I love these things. These are the Hillshire Snacking small plate trays. This one is the hot calabrese salami flavor with Gouda cheese and toasted rounds. It's like little toasted baguette crackers. So it's basically like an adult Lunchable, really. And then this other one is the Italian dry salami, and it has Gouda cheese also. I love Gouda cheese, like really bad. Love it. I love charcuterie boards now that I've had the surgery. Just the meat and the cheese, oh my gosh, it's delicious. If you haven't ever had a charcuterie board, I highly recommend them. Go to your local deli, get all the different salamis, the different cheeses, just chop it all up and put it on a board with some little nuts and a few little pieces of crackers and some jellies. So anyways, back to these small plates. It's basically an adult Lunchable, is what I say. So for this one plate, it is 300 calories, 21 grams of fat, 12 grams of carbs, and 16 grams of protein. So yeah, this is normally one of these would be a lunch, maybe with a couple of other, like some cucumbers cut up or something, and that would be a lunch for me. So go check these out at your local grocery store and pick up some of these to try. Okay, still on the lunch train. If you like sandwiches, this is a bread. With this bread, I don't feel bad about making myself a sandwich. Now, whenever I do make myself a sandwich, it is usually a fold over. I cannot eat a full sandwich. Even being almost 3 years out, I cannot eat a full sandwich. So I will take just one slice of this bread. This is the Nature's Own Life sugar-free 100% whole wheat whole grain bread. So it is very good. It does, even though it is sugar-free, it is delicious. I mean, it's really good, and I am a fan. Okay, so for one slice, it is 50 calories, 1 gram of fat, I'll say net carbs. There is 8 net carbs in one slice of bread and 4 grams of protein. For me to be able to still have a sandwich if I wanted to, I love this bread because it just makes it feel a little more normal, okay? Because, I mean, honestly, whenever you are a VSG patient, like, there are a lot of things that you cannot eat or you're not supposed to eat. So you kind of do feel like you're in this little smaller space by yourself and you're alone and you're like, oh man, I wish I could have that again. I miss having that. But there are options out there that can help you feel like you're still eating the normal foods that everybody else gets to eat, you know. And then to go along with your sandwich you're gonna have for lunch, you can add a couple of these pop chips potatoes. Pop chips potato pop chips. This is the sour cream and onion flavor. 22 chips is 120 calories, 4 grams of fat, 19 grams of net carbs, and 2 grams of protein. So it is a little higher on the carb count, not very much protein, but I mean, who doesn't love chips, okay? I'd rather eat a handful of these and not feel too bad about it than to go try to scarf down a bag of Doritos or something like that, you know. They do have, I think the other flavor I seen was just like a sea salt. So just like a basic, as if it was like the Lay's basic potato chips, you know. Oh, and barbecue. They had barbecue too. And while we're on the popped chip type of topic, this is one of my other favorites. They are the Quaker apple cinnamon rice cakes. Very, very good. Now, rice cakes are an healthier option for you for a snack. One cake is 50 calories, 0 fat, 11 grams of carbs, and less than 1 gram of protein. So you're not getting no protein here, but you can mix you up some PB2 or regular peanut butter on here, and that instantly gives you protein. You can slice up some apples and throw on top of your peanut butter that's on top of this, and it is so good. Yeah, go check these out. And that's it, you guys. That is all I picked up the other day whenever I went grocery shopping. If any of you have had the surgery and you have some favorites foods that you like to eat, let me know in the comments. I would love to read and hear other options that I could try out maybe I haven't thought of. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. And if you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so that way you will be notified every time I upload a video. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.